Hi guys, this is a Samsung laptop model R580. Yes, R580. And I'm taking this board here, the very inside part board. The Samsung laptop is take the parts. There are 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. I get this 3 screws on this side here, 3 screws, and then the next one is to take screws out on the fan part right here. There's 4 screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, the very bottom here, and so 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. Okay, and then you take these out. This is the connector. Take that out, and then this one here was the tricky part that I had. It's the looks like an SD port. So pop that out, and the whole board will just come off easy. See, I think I can even take it out now. Right here, see, it's taking apart, it's coming off now. Here you go, there you go. Actually, what I found out now was that these 3 screws that I took out, 1, 2, and 3, doesn't need to come out, those 3. Only this one right here, only that one needs to come out, because these 3 screws are not screwed in to the chassis or the case of the laptop. So these 3 screws, it only screws in to this one here and the fan. So it's not screwed in all the way to the bottom of the laptop or the casing. Okay, so, and also guys, when I took this board, the board out, this is upside down, so I'll just flip it over. This is the board, and then you put it back. I found out when I took the board out, this wire here, these 2 wires here, the white and the black, it was left out dangling, and I'll have to look for where these 2 wires coming from. And so, and then I found out that it came from these 2 terminals here. I wonder if you can see it. These 2 terminals, this 1 and 2. So there's 1. You see it? I wonder if you can see it that clear. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, I have another correction, guys. See these 2 wires, 2 screws right here. Don't take them out, these 2 screws. Remember I said 3 screws, it comes out on the side of the board. Just 1 screw. And that screw is this one here. That screw. Take that out because it's bolted down there. Okay. But not these 2 screws. Not these 2 screws. Okay.